What you are seeing now is a 40-par pipe used on this fish pond. It mainly serves a reinforcement function, stabilizing the upper part of the fish pond. At the same time, this par pipe is connected to the aeration pipe and the main suction pipe. In this way, all the pipelines are neatly arranged, not only avoiding the mess of pipelines, but also making the entire fish pond look more beautiful and elegant. At a position 700 away from a certain reference point, installed a collar. This collar is made of the same material as the board platform. Under normal circumstances, ordinary boards may have problems when subjected to a certain amount of pressure, but look at our fish pond. The water level is close to the edge and water often overflows, yet the entire fish pond has not deformed at all, and its structure remains stable. Next, let's talk about the aeration system of the fish pond. We have installed aeration pipes in the fish pond. According to the standard configuration, for every 6 meters of the fish pond's length, 6 aeration discs with a diameter of 800 are placed to ensure sufficient oxygen supply for the fish. If you want to increase the fish stocking density and feel that the aeration intensity of the conventional aeration discs is insufficient, we have other solutions. For example, we can introduce Shenyang oxygen-making equipment. There are currently 2 options for this equipment. One is the Jiangui with an appearance similar to a long duct oxygen generator, and the other is the Jaya oxygen generator. Both of them use ceramic discs for oxygen production. Relatively speaking, the accessories of the ceramic disc oxygen generator are more expensive, but the oxygen production effect is better. Although the ordinary oxygen generator is a bit pricey, it is easier to use. Now, let's take a look at the entire water circulation system. The pipelines here introduce the treated circulating water to achieve an integrated deep circulation. During this process, whether it's the grass, flowers and vegetables planted in the fish pond or other aquatic plants, they can be managed independently, including daily maintenance and financial management such as cost accounting. After the circulating water enters the tool machine, it undergoes preliminary treatment based on the principle that large particles sink. With the temperature granule machine, we can set the water spraying mode according to actual needs. For example, we can set it to spray water 3 times per hour, 5 minutes each time, or 6 times per hour. We can also adjust it flexibly according to the growth needs of the fish and plants, such as spraying a certain number of times at 1-hour intervals. The water set in this way is circulated through a pump and delivered to the spray fossil. The water spray volume of the spray fossil is 1/3 of the total water volume, and 64 parts of iron material are added to the water. After such a deep circulation, the water finally returns to the fish pond, forming a complete circulation system. In the later stage, we can also equip the fish pond with a constant temperature system, an ozone system, an automatic feeder, etc., according to the different needs of customers, considering the climate differences in different regions, such as the different temperature conditions in the south and the north. We can provide different heating methods. Regarding the choice of heating methods, there are currently mainly 2 types: air source heat pump heating and water source heat pump heating. The advantage of air source heat pump heating is that it is not restricted by water sources, but the disadvantage is that it has a large power consumption, and relatively high costs. On the other hand, water source heat pump heating consumes less electricity, but it requires an adequate water supply. In this way, we have created a fully functional fish pond system for you that can be flexibly adjusted according to actual needs, meeting your aquaculture requirements in different scenarios.